The wave principles of reflection and refraction aren't just abstract concepts. They are the invisible gears driving modern civilization. Every text you send, every ultrasound scan, every GPS route you map, it all relies on the precise manipulation of waves. Take the internet. It travels as pulses of light inside fiber optic cables, the backbone of our global network. The light enters a thin glass core and is trapped by a principle called total internal reflection. Instead of leaking out, it reflects perfectly, zigzagging for kilometers with almost zero energy loss, carrying massive amounts of data securely without interference. We also use waves to peer inside the human body. High-frequency sound pulses create real-time ultrasound images by mapping echoes from different tissues. X-rays, a form of high-energy light, pass through soft tissue but are absorbed by dense bone, creating a shadow image of our skeleton. This same idea, sending a wave and reading its return, scales up. Radar tracks aircraft with radio waves, using the Doppler effect to clock their speed. LiDAR's laser pulses map terrain in 3D for self-driving cars and even uncover lost cities. On a planetary scale, seismologists listen to waves from earthquakes. By comparing the arrival times of different waves, they can pinpoint an epicenter and probe the structure of Earth's core. It's all a form of echo ranging. A ship's sonar sends a pulse to the seafloor. The echo returns 0.4 seconds later. Sound travels at 1,500 meters per second in water, so the total journey is 600 meters. That means the ocean is 300 meters deep. From the light carrying our data to the sound mapping the abyss, we have mastered the physics of waves. It's the fundamental language of modern technology.